Perhaps my biggest mistake was letting Sylvia handle her defense.
Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, let us concentrate on the real issue here, shall we? The fact is, the Lerman girl was horribly miscast. Therefore, I tell you, justice has been served.
Order. Order in the court. Shut up. Tina DelMarco, I hereby sentence you to the Daisy Clover School for Psychopathic Ingenues.
As for me, now that I know the truth about myself, who I am, what I've got burning inside of me, the only thing left for me to say is, by the time you read this, I will be gone.
Judy DelMarco was gone, all right. Going off in search of her true identity, leaving behind her only child, her daughter Tina, locked away in a reform school for the criminally talented.
I am at the Daisy Clover School, an actress paying dues, just one of several hundred psychopathic ingenues.
Greetings from New York City. Stop. Sorry I can't make it to Parents' Day. Stop. Gotta run. Opening on Broadway. Mine. Wish me luck, Mother.
The older girls are dangerous.
Keep your paws off my lipstick, Skag.
Their smoking makes me cough.
Hey, kid, I paid $6 for that G-string. Now back where you found it.
My life is taking orders while my mother's taking off.
This year's Tony Award goes to Ginger DelMarco for Entr'acte.
I must